Hi everyone, welcome to Annabelle's Finquita. In today's episode, I want to show you how I get ready for a winter storm. They say it's gonna be snowing for 4 consecutive days, so I want to make sure all the animals are safe. Let's go outside. Yay! Look at this. What you got there? Good boy. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fill out his water up until the top. Then what's gonna happen, that's gonna freeze. It's gonna make a frozen layer. Look at that block that I took out of the water yesterday. It's gonna make a frozen layer. Yep, mi chuchi. Frozen layer on top. And then I'm gonna come tomorrow with a hammer and I'm gonna break it down, the surface. Not all of it, just the whole. If I break out the whole surface, what's gonna happen is gonna freeze up faster. So what I usually do is I fill up all the water to the top and I just open a hole with a hammer and he'll drink from that. I'll probably show you tomorrow. But you can see how cold it is. It's 21 right now. So that's my next chore. I'm gonna fill out his water. Now, I have a hose here that goes to the house and I use it when the temperature is above 34 degrees. But if it's under 34 degrees, it's not gonna work because everything freezes out. Even though I opened, it doesn't have the end on because all the water I emptied out from the hose. Since it's a hill, I take advantage of it, and what I do is I close the water in the house and I open the hose there and all the water comes out and drain here. So the hose is empty, but the pipe right there on the house is frozen and it doesn't want to open, so it's not gonna work out now. So I'm gonna bring buckets of water. Now with the small buckets of water like this one here, what I do is at night before going in after the last meal, the animals I empty it out. I leave it empty, otherwise it's gonna turn into a block of ice. They already fixed up the chickens side. They already have extra hay there. They're very comfy, as you see back there. These are oatmeals and apples. Right? Is it good, Boo Boo? Boo Boo. Hey, Boo Boo. I love you. Yeah, Mitty. Say good, Boo Boo. They got a snack in Tractor Supply, a treat for horses that is made of oatmeal and apples. So I decided instead of buying that, give them the real thing. You know, this is oatmeal and apples. I cut the apples in pieces and give it to him with oatmeal. And he likes it better, right? Doesn't have the chemicals to preserve it. So it's a real thing. Manola, smile for the camera. Good girl. Guys, we think she's pregnant too. Look at her belly coming out. And look at Carmela's belly. She loved the chickens around her. Look at that. Look at Carmela's belly. Carmelucci. Do you have a baby in there? Yes, you do. You do, Manola. You do have a baby there. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. She doesn't like the chickens. Carmela is more docile with the chickens. As you see, they eat around her legs. You know. But Manola doesn't like the chickens that much. The main thing is you want them to be dry. When they're dry, they don't get sick. Dryness is the key to keep your animals healthy. Okay? So I'm gonna fill this up now with fresh hay and hang it there. That way tomorrow, when it starts snowing, they don't have to go. They won't go outside, so they got their feed in there. ¿Qué pasa? What's going on, girl? Oh, you want to tie it up really well. Oops, I think something happened here. Manola? Thank you. You don't belong there. That's what happened. The chicken let me know that Manola was in there by screaming. All right, time to close this up. So I'll give the extra hay to the horse. Let's go to the run-in. Okay guys, this is the run-in of Palmiche. And I don't think I showed you this before. It's made for 2 horses, but we only got Palmiche for now. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna place it in that corner extra hay for him to eat. Because it's gonna be in here for a little bit. Once it starts snowing hard, it's gonna take over in here. Then it's gonna have extra hay there. But yeah, this is great. He has a lot of space here, as you see. And he comes here every time it rains or it starts snowing hard. So I'm just gonna spread out some of the bedding, a little bit more on the poop. He usually doesn't pee here, but if he does, there's a padding that has little holes under it, and the pee will filtrate to it, to the ground. And also this bedding will absorb the pee. And usually I clean it. I haven't cleaned it yet, but still good. When I see if it's too wet, then I'll change it. But I brought me these 2 packs of bedding, dry hay. That's what it is. At Tractor Supply, $5 each pack of hay. So it's not expensive. So yeah, this is his house now. But he likes to be outside. He's free to decide when to come in and go. Like, he's not tied to it, as you see. So that, I think that's the best way for the animal to choose when to take cover and when not, you know. The metal roof is very strong. It has even double walls on the sides in case the horse kick, like here. Let me show you. I see a mark there that he kicked. And that's what that wall is for. Extra wall. Not this one. Second one. To protect the outer wall. Yep. Good girl. Come here. Here con mamá. Vamos, Nala. Let's go home. Let's go home, Poo-Poo.